Can you see Pa? Huh? No, not yet. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Oh, there we go. I'm still going. Pa's in front of me. And I'm just pushing through. This is kind of crazy fun. We're almost to Mark's house. Oh, keep going, Pa. Keep going. It's a little better here. It really is. Keep going, Pa. Push her in. Push her in gear. Let's go. Okay. Oh, don't stop, Pa. Wonder why he's stopping. Keep going. I hope it hasn't died. Oh, what is he doing? Did his Bobcat quit? Did your Bobcat quit?
Yes.
You're kidding me.
No, I wish I'd have had you going in front of me.
Oh my gosh. Can I shove you out of the way?
No.
No. I'll be darned. It just died, huh?
Just
First time. It says you've worked me too doggone hard. Huh.
Quit narrating.
All right.